what the heck am I doing out here? Like, really, what the heck am I doing out here?
Man, the all-wheel drive fucking doesn't work. What a joke.
Hey guys, what's going on? We're back. We actually just ended up getting a decent dump of snow. Before this, we literally got like 25 to 30 centimeters, you know? It's kind of what you guys see here. We had nothing before that snowfall last night. So I know you guys have been itching, or I've been itching to see if this thing actually does more than 5 feet, if you guys know what I'm talking about. That ain't good. So I haven't done a thing since the last video I posted. If you guys haven't seen it, look up there. But my goal is going to be actually trying to drive this for, you know, like 5-10 kilometers. It is like minus 22 out right now, plus the wind chill feels like minus like 30. I'm in a hoodie, nothing underneath this because I'm cold-blooded. The goal is going to be to actually try to get this thing, you know, to get some RPMs up it rather than just driving around my yard, because I can actually get the trails. I can actually hit the trails now, which will be good. I'll try to make it to like one of the warming huts. Maybe there'll be a nice little fire going for me, you know what I mean? But we're gonna try to do that right now. We're gonna try to light this up. It's minus 30. I really don't know if it's gonna start, so let's see. Okay, I can't put my phone up close because it's like minus 30 and it'll literally just freeze immediately. So I don't have my mic on, but you guys are gonna see a cold start. Wants to go. I'm gonna let that idle for a little bit. All right guys, hopefully you guys can see, but we're gonna see if this thing actually moves or not. Should start first, Paul. Oh, there's another guy over there. Oh, you know what? I just remembered this thing doesn't have any brakes. There we go.
All right, you mofos, it's the first ride out. Right off the bat, I am noticing I'm only giving it 1/4 throttle and already going 60 kilometers per hour. This thing is a fucking meat missile. If you noticed, I have barely any steering. This is because I'm using 20-year-old carbides on this piece of shit and need new ones. But that would mean I'd have to buy some. Not gonna happen. If you're wondering why I'm driving slow, remember, I have no brakes. Look at that sexy warming hut.
Still idling a little too high. Not gonna try to get it home, but I made it. Good.
Quick pick for the boys. In all honesty, I can't doubt this sled anymore. Thing is working like your grandmother baking falking bread. Hands down, best sleds ever built. No brakes and no steering. Fun combination. Let's just say my neighbors love me. Now that's the way you want your sled to turn. I need to fix the camera angle when standing for next time.
Woo! There you go, boys. There you go. Yeah, I don't know if that footage was good, but she rips. Again, I feel like it's bogging up top, but maybe that's just the old fuel that's in it too. That's gonna work itself out, but man, oh man, does it work good. The idle's too high, but I think that's because the belt is like always sticking and it always feels like it's in like gear or something. I don't know, you guys tell me down below, but there you go. She rips in 30 centimeters of snow, which isn't bad whatsoever. There we go. I need to put the windscreen on though. I'm frozen. I'm going inside. Hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe I'll get out with one of my other buddies who bought an F7 or an F8, I think. I don't know. But anyways, hopefully we'll get out. Hope you guys like the video, subscribe for more. If you want to see me out and freeze to death, this thing's probably going to blow up this year if you guys like the videos though. Just saying. See you guys later. Crazy.
Everybody rocking me because I'm up now. Took your girl and I'm scoring like I made the touchdown. Swerving in a Lambo, doors go up, not on the bus now. Used to want a G-Shock, now I'm walking with a bus now.